In this demonstration I'd like to show you the Super Plus A clamp. This is a specially designed clamp for the furniture maker, craftsman, solid surface fabricator and worktop manufacturer. It's made of steel and its main features are that it has soft tips to prevent marking of the work and a powerful torsion spring that gives it its closing pressure. That torsion spring is adjustable in two positions. When it's in the rearward position, it generates 45 pounds of closing tip pressure. If you want to reduce that pressure, you can take a screwdriver, push the spring back with the handle of the screwdriver. In that forward position, the clamp has a reduced pressure of 35 pounds of closing tip pressure. To get the spring back again to full power, use the flat tip screwdriver, just lift the spring ends up. The spring will naturally go backwards. Changing its position like that changes the fulcrum point and therefore the pressure delivered at the tip. The clamp comes with its unique compression pad. This can be used over the spring for wide lippings up to 57mm, or it can be used over the mouth of the clamp and moved within it, so that when you're applying edge lippings, wide or narrow, you can choose the position of that compression pad. This is 18mm, so I have the compression pad running from side to side. Offer the clamp up, get everything into position and press down. And you can see that the compression pad is now applying pressure to that lipping and will hold it securely whilst the glue sets. If I want to do a wider lipping, put my compression pad over the spring, offer the lipping up, get everything into position, press down, and as you can see the pressure is now spreading its load across the width of that lipping and will hold it in place until the glue sets. Another example of edge lipping is where you've got a post-formed worktop where you need to put a laminate strip on its cut edge, and you can see with the laminate it'll often be hollow underneath and you can hear that, and you need pressure to hold that whilst the glue will be setting. So I can either have my compression pad over the spring or sideways to apply pressure in the centre, and I can offer the clamp up, get everything into position, forward pressure, and as you can see that is now holding that in place and will keep it there firmly whilst the glue is setting. Another example will be where you're applying a front edging onto this, which is a solid surface material. You've got particle board as the core. You want to put that front edge on. You need to hold it there whilst that glue sets. So get it into position, hold it, forward pressure. Absolutely no danger of marking the work because the tips are soft, and although they grip, they don't leave a mark. This is another classic example of worktop manufacture. This material is corian and it's built up of 3 layers. That centre layer, different colour, gives it a decorative appearance. The extra thickness makes it look more substantial. In this case you don't actually need the compression pad. You can take that out, apply your clamps along that front edge, wait till the glue sets, no danger of damage.